In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp. By the end, you'll be logged in and have a clean hierarchy with a space, a folder, and a list ready to organize your work. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. On the home page, look toward the top right and choose Login. When the Sign In options appear, select Continue with Google. Pick the Google account you use for work so your access and notifications stay in one place. If you're prompted to confirm permissions, proceed so ClickUp can connect to your profile and bring you into the app. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand sidebar where the Spaces area lives. This is the top layer of organization in ClickUp, perfect for a department, team, or major initiative. Open the Spaces panel and choose the option to create a new space. Give your space a short, clear title, like Marketing, Product, or Client Projects. Consistent naming helps everyone find what they need quickly. After you enter the title, continue through the setup. If you see extra configuration screens, you can keep the defaults for now. Finish by clicking Create Space to lock it in. Next, open the space you just created from the sidebar. You might see it listed similarly to Example Space in your view. Inside a space, you'll use folders and lists to structure your work. Think of a folder as a container for a project or a theme. Click to create a folder, then enter a descriptive title such as Website Redesign, Q1 Launch, or Operations. Keep it specific and consistent across your team. Click Create to add the folder to your space. Now you're ready to create a list inside that folder. Lists are where tasks live and where most day-to-day action happens. Click to create a list, then give it a focused name. Good examples include Sprint 1, Backlog, Content Pipeline, or To Do This Month. Clear list names make filtering, reporting, and automations easier down the line. Click Create to finalize your list. At this point, your basic structure is set. Space at the top, folder in the middle, and list at the working level. A few quick tips to keep things tidy as you grow. Use a consistent naming convention across spaces, folders, and lists. Avoid overly long titles, and consider adding short labels or emojis for quick scanning. You can refine settings later as your team settles in. That's it, your ClickUp setup is ready for action. In the next phase, you can start adding tasks to your list and customize views as needed.